Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by preparing the dry seasoning. Combine 2 tablespoons dried parsley, 1 tablespoon dried dill, 2 teaspoons onion powder, 2 teaspoons garlic powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon black pepper in a bowl. Whisk the herbs and spices until evenly distributed. This yields a concentrated dry mix. Use 2 tablespoons of this mix for each cup of dressing base you plan to make. Keep the rest in an airtight jar for up to 3 months. In a medium bowl, stir 1 cup mayonnaise, 1/2 cup sour cream, and 1/2 cup buttermilk until smooth and homogeneous. Add 2 tablespoons of the prepared dry mix and whisk thoroughly so no clumps remain. Taste and adjust. If the dressing is too thick, add up to 1/4 cup additional buttermilk to reach a pourable consistency, or 1 to 2 tablespoons more sour cream for thicker dip texture. Cover and refrigerate to let flavors meld for at least 30 minutes, ideally 1 to 2 hours. Transfer the finished ranch to an airtight container and refrigerate. Homemade ranch keeps for 7 to 10 days when chilled at 40 degrees F or below. Always stir or shake before serving because separation may occur. Serve as a salad dressing, vegetable dip, sandwich spread, or sauce for fries and chicken tenders. It pairs well with crisp lettuce and raw carrot sticks. Label the container with the prepared date and discard after 10 days to maintain food safety and peak flavor.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.